What's up, YouTube? It's Noah David again, and today I have a Russian gp5 gas mask unboxing video today. I'm so excited for this package. I've been waiting for this package for a week. It's, like I said, nothing special, it's just a Russian gp5 gas mask. To all you gas mask enthusiasts or you guys that collect gas masks, it's nothing special, like I said, just a Russian gp5 gas mask. The only reason I got it is because if you see my other videos, my first gas mask was my Serbian M1. Well, technically my first gas mask was my German World War II one, but I didn't know I really had that. So I just needed to start out my collection properly with the one thing everybody says to get. So I got it. I ordered it from mainmilitary.com. It has not been opened yet. I just got it today. I am super pumped up. So yeah, let's just get right opening. Let's just cut this. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Like, you have no idea. Like, I don't know if you guys like my videos or not. Leave some feedback, please. So if you like them, leave a comment. If you don't, just don't watch them. But I'm afraid I'm bad at YouTube, which I don't know, you can be, but I'm afraid I'm gonna be bad at it. Okay, so open. Let's see. Russian gas mask black. Russian gas mask hose. Let me see any of that. There's the hose. Nothing coming out of it. Okay, good. Making sure. Now, they didn't have the regular Russian gas mask. Ooh, I can smell that latex. They didn't have the regular Russian canisters, filters, so they sent me a Swiss NATO 40mm filter. So I'm gonna have to buy one of those. But here's the mask. It's a basic mask. Basic as fuck. I hope it's okay. It's kind of gritty, dirty. 40mm thread, eyepieces, just your basic gas mask. Turn that inside out for you guys to see. I don't know if you can really see it. It's black. It's dark. I apologize. Filter it came with, just, you know, surplus. It didn't really have anything, so whatever. Let's see if it came with anything else. Nope, it did not. But that's okay. And this is the haversack, just small, basic. Let me put this thing on for you guys. Never tried one of these on before.
I like it. It's basic, down to the point mask.
Ooh, that sticks to the head. Never opened this before. That is in Swiss. Can't really read it. I ordered this, by the way, off mainmilitary.com. Try to put the link in the description if I can. They're a really good website. They have decent price stuff. I picked up the hose, and the hose didn't come with it. You could order it off. The mask, the filter was for free. I ordered all this for like 20 bucks, which isn't bad. Now, if you want the black mask, they have black and white masks for the gp5. And they have a bunch of different masks. But they didn't have, like I said, the regular filter. So let's pop this baby open. I don't know if I can find out how. How do I open this? Do I peel the sticker off? I don't want to ruin this. I don't want to break it. But I want my filter. Damn it. Seriously. Hold on. I'll be right back. I need to figure out how to open this. Okay, guys. I am back. After what, like 15-20 minutes tops. I finally got this motherfucker open. I had to cut it. There's no way you can twist it off like it says. Swiss. It's not standard with the mask. That's what the inside looks like. So, if you are in like shit and these actually work for you, great. Make sure they're out first. But it's a 40mm filter. Fits on my gp5. I hope so. Yeah, it does, but it looks retarded. Throw that on for you guys. It looks uber dumb.
Ow.
Gets you in the head. Ow. Okay, I'll put the hose on her for you guys. In my personal opinion, I think these look a lot cooler with the hoses, but that's just me. I probably could have left the mask on, but
Oh.
makes a funny farting sound. But anyway, the gas mask itself, I like. Here's the inhale valve, and then the exhale valve there. The eyepiece, it's a good little mask for all the time I've had it. It's just crimped metal around here. It's just basic mask, like I said. I believe this was made in 1989. I kind of wish it would have come in a plastic wrapper, like my Serbian M1. But beggars can't be choosers. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. My dream of mine actually is to be on YouTube and have some viewers, and I just really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, not to get gay or anything like that. but I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for the views. I know I haven't got very many, but I really hope you guys have an awesome night. Have a good, safe holidays, since Christmas is right around the corner. Oh, side note, if you guys are interested in the marine stuff, go to my other YouTube channel. It's also, fuck. Anyway, never mind, sorry about that. Just have a great holiday weekend. See you guys.